So we are currently in Joshimath. So this is like the day one of your trek. You don't do the trekking part, but you do travel. So basically, either you are traveling from Dehradun or to Rishikesh. And I booked the trek from Rishikesh to Rishikesh because मुझे वो ही सबसे ज़्यादा feasible लगता है. Instead of going here and there, I find it very feasible to book it from either from Dehradun to Dehradun or to Rishikesh, and it's very easy to travel from Delhi to Dehradun or to Rishikesh. Tomorrow will be the day two, but officially day two. I have packed my stuff. I'll get ready, and I have to report tomorrow around 7:30 a.m. Currently, I'm in Joshimath, and this is my room. Usually, you get sharing room, and I prefer that. But somehow, I would say I got lucky or something like that I'm getting a separate room. It's a very decent room, not too fancy, of course. Do not expect anything fancy like anything, but it will definitely be full of experiences. Okay, so we are ready for the day two of our trek, and abhi hum ja rahe hain. We'll have some breakfast, and then we'll start our trek, and we'll keep you posted. See ya. So we have left from Joshimath, and अभी हम जा रहे हैं तुगासी विलेज. यहाँ से कैब से we'll go to तुगासी, and then I guess 3 से 4 किलोमीटर का ट्रैक है. Let's see how much time it will take me, and I'm just waiting for my guide. So usually you can book from a package. मैंने भी कुछ वैसे किया, but it's just one of my friend does all this, तो उसके through I booked. So we have started the trek. Let's see how it goes. Just 5-10 minutes to the trek, and I'm already very tired. But brothers and sisters, you will see me complete the trek. I'm so tired. Don't do the mistake I did. I'm carrying such a huge bag. It must be 15 to 18 kgs around say. I don't know. I did the mindful packing, but still, I'm trying my best to complete this trek with my back only. But let's see. I might offload my luggage, which it's getting quite difficult. You know the feeling when you want to like give up, but still you don't. And somewhere I'm doing the same, just motivating myself. Like I said, I'll get used to it. Getting in there, it's like a proper mountain climbing. I mean, obviously, but it is fun. We are enjoying it, and suddenly life is good again. So relaxing. You know, discomfort has never felt so comfortable. Pretty so steep, but the view is pretty much like Kedarkanta. So this is the situation. Having a little break, food break. This view, nobody you know, all strangers. Love it. So we have covered 4 kilometers so far. We started around 9:30 a.m. and it's 2:30 p.m. Still 2 kilometers to go, and we'll stay. हमारा कैंप होगा खुलारा विलेज में. So see you there, and the view is just, and that's me. Even though I'm like dead, I feel like this is going to be my last trek.
Before we reach the campsite, we have again taken a stop, and it is going good so far. And on the first day itself, we have started seeing the snow. Almost reached the base camp. Who is here too? Oh my god, he's so cute. And after a long day, we have reached the base camp, and it is freaking cold, but the view is to die for. This is the base campsite, and look, saying trekking part is done for the day, and abhi aaj hum relax karenge. We'll just have food, and tomorrow we'll go to Kauri Pass trek. So I have got my tent. Solo होने का कभी कभी तो फायदा होता है. And see you in a while. It is snacks time. Okay, I look so funny, but don't care. Won't care. Let's have some Maggie and chai. बहुत ही अनहेल्दी सा ऑप्शन है फॉर अ ट्रैक आई बिलीव, बट अब जो मिले खा लो. What is this view? And look who's there. Hi Curie. You can't have Maggie. Everybody is having chai and Maggie snacks, and I had my Maggie and इसने मेरा साथ दिया, Curie. And I'm just trying to read a book जो मैं actually ये मैं 4 महीने से बुक पढ़ने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. But yeah. So I think we are almost done for the day. अब बस we'll have some dinner. I will not. And I'm just trying to read a book. And मैं अपनी coffee लाई थी. Self black coffee. हाथ बहुत ज़्यादा जम रहे हैं. Okay, bye guys. Luckily I got 2 sleeping bags, so one I'm using as my mat, so because of course बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडी है. And this is my stuff. Apparently here last time मैंने ये नहीं किया था, but यहाँ पे if you are eating something you have to clean your plate yourself and you have to reuse this for another meal. And so I took a nap and woke up around 8. Of course it's all dark outside, and so it's crazily raining outside, and it might snow. Clouds are crazily screaming, and I'm a little scared because I'm alone in my tent and I'm scared. The clouds are screaming, and I am shitting my pants right now, and it is going to be a crazy night. It's going to be a long night for sure. Who said? मैंने अपने headphones लगाए thinking that I can get rid of this, but it is getting worse. Okay, let me show them. Whoa! I want to go out, but I'm sure morning is going to be beautiful. Okay, situation is still the same, and it's been an hour, but I'm not scared anymore. See you in the morning. Good night, guys. What a morning. I'm just having my breakfast and हम निकलेंगे फिर अपना कौरी पास के लिए. So आज हम बस ऊपर जाएंगे, वापस आएंगे, and then रात में भी इधर ही स्टे है.
Come here.
So we have started the trek to Kauri Pass. आज आई थिंक कंपैरेटिवली छोटा ट्रैक है. Taking a rest. Early we have done 1/3 part of the trek, and initially for the 500-600 meters it was very difficult because काफ़ी सारे पत्थर थे. अभी it's easier. Look at this beauty. We have just crossed Jhanji Top और अभी हमें जाना है उधर, नहीं सॉरी उधर, yes. And I have my guide with me. Say hi couple.
Hi, good morning everyone. तो अभी हम चल रहे हैं क्वारी पास सबमिट. ऑलमोस्ट हमारा 2 किलोमीटर कंप्लीट हो गया है. 1 किलोमीटर लास्ट रह गया है. इसको भी हम बहुत जल्द कवर करेंगे.
मुश्किल है बट कर लेंगे.
हम पहुंचने वाले हैं 12,500
sorry,
फीट. यस.
Okay. Oh my god, so pretty. And we have to go there. That's our end point. Kauri Pass trek. Like, चलते जाओ, चलते जाओ, चलते जाओ. चलते जाओ, चलते जाओ, चलते जाओ. That's what we are going to do. Taking a shot. Taking a shot break.
तो इधर तक
You know, when you start the trek, you feel like giving up. And I felt the same way both the days. Yesterday also और आज भी मैंने 10 मिनट ट्रैक किया and I was like, maybe I'll not be able to do it. But I am about to reach the end point, that point. So see you at the summit. And finally we have reached the summit. But को ऊपर जाना था बट शायद मौसम बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब है तो skip it. We have reached the summit but मौसम बहुत ख़राब होता हुआ तो यहाँ पे ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं है अपने पास. But we have done it! Yay! Finally we have reached the summit and it was easy but difficult but easy. Thank you so much to sir.
यस. तो फाइनली हम पहुंचे हैं 12,500 फीट क्वारी पास सबमिट.
Yeah, तो मौसम unfortunately जैसे ही ऊपर आई मौसम खराब हो गया. So view is not that much. So it's time to end the trek. अब हम नीचे वापस जाएंगे अपना क्या था भैया उस कुलारा जहाँ पे हम कल जा चुके थे. आज हम विल स्टे देयर. वी आर गोइंग बैक. आई एम गेटिंग लेट बट हम फिर से थोड़ा मौसम ठीक हुआ है. समिट पे तो बहुत खराब हो गया था, सो वी हैव टू रश. लेट्स सी यू एट द कैंप साइट. Almost done for the day. We have to go there. That is our campsite. But yeah, finally I have reached the campsite. जो आज भी हमारे यहीं स्टे है. Started at 8 AM और अभी बज रहे 3 और आज कुछ मेजर ब्रेक भी नहीं लिया मैंने. So yeah, I think that's all for today. So I'm back in my tent and आज का दिन काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग था and had so much fun. Although जब हम समिट पे गए तो मौसम बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब हो गया था, but it was fun. अभी अराउंड 3:30 बज रहे हैं. I will have some rest और फिर अभी मैं लंच स्किप कर रही हूँ and I'll directly have dinner because यहाँ पे डिनर भी 6 बजे हो जाता है. एंड कल हम वापस नीचे जाएंगे जहाँ डे 1 वाला जो ट्रैक था हमने वही हम विल रिपीट. विल जस्ट गो डाउन एंड आई थिंक प्रीटी मच द ट्रैक इज़ ओवर. मेजरली जो समिट होता है दैट हैज़ बिन डन. सो आई हैव बिन स्किपिंग मील्स. कल मैंने डिनर भी नहीं किया था बिकॉज आई डोंट नो आई कैन नॉट ईट ट्रैक्स पर. बट अभी भैया ने मेरे को खुद से ला के दे दिया लंच. सो लोकल्स हेयर आर वे टू नाइस. डे 4 एंड आज हमें कुछ नहीं, हम कल सबमिट कर लिए थे. आज हम वापस से जाएंगे नीचे जहाँ से हमने अपना ट्रैक स्टार्ट किया था. सो नॉट मच टू व्लॉग और मेक वीडियोस बिकॉज इट्स द सेम वे जो हमने सेकेंड डे कवर किया था. एंड डे 4 में यही होगा कि हम नीचे जाएंगे, देन मे बी आई स्टे इन अ होम स्टे एंड देन डे 5 आई ट्रैवल बैक टू ऋषिकेश. So I think pretty much the vlog has ended here, but I'll try to make some videos if I can, but also my battery is dead, so see you in between or maybe at the homestay. So we are off to the last day of our trek. हम वापस से जा रहे हैं नीचे जोशीमठ and then we'll stay in a homestay tonight. So अभी मेरी बैटरी नहीं है तो I won't be able to vlog anything.
साइड में रख ऐसे.
50% of our trek is done and ये काफ़ी steep है but we'll be mindful. Look at the peace around. It's difficult to trek with this backpack, but we'll keep it going. And anyway, we are almost done. Okay, so the trek is almost done. I mean, just left for 300-400 meters, and it was a good trek. And currently, I'm dead tired. I'm literally, forcing myself, pushing myself to complete these last 300-400 meter. And yeah, so tonight I'll stay in a homestay as I mentioned, and tomorrow we'll leave for Rishikesh.
कहीं भी मैं रहूं न छूटे ये हो. सर्दी की हूँ सुबह मेरे है एक दर्द की